Welcome to Jhummy's kitchen. Today I'll be making yummy coconut vegetable fried rice. So let me tell you about the experience I will never forget, okay? So while growing up, I was a little bit, just a tiny bit mischievous. I was in primary 5 when our headmaster walked into our classroom one day and asked that we were to bring anything we could mold with clay as part of our timely practical. As soon as we left the class that day, our class teacher threatened us that anyone that brings clay to our class and not tissue paper or broom will fail, and she was going to use the clay to stone the person because she had a shop where she sells provision. So she can always tell our class monitor to carry the tissue or brooms brought as implement to our shop. We were 5 friends that we usually moved together, and we used to fight others together and copy each other's work. Things we did while growing up. We were so close that we decided to tell our parents what our teachers said. We're so close, we're that close. We all decided to tell our parents what our teachers said, not wanting to make trouble. They bought tissue for each of us, but the cheapest tissue was what they bought. So each of the tissue prices differs, On the day of submission, our teacher asked all of us to write our names and the name of the tissue we brought that day. I knew that the daughter of Zion, this daughter of Zion has been caught. I was thinking I would just run and drop my own V tissue without being seen. Hey, chai, my village people are at work. V tissue then was the cheapest of all tissue, because that was what my mom could afford. And with shaking hand, I wrote my name and tissue. In that day, I was waiting to hear feedback concerning what we submitted, but nothing came up. The next day also, I didn't hear anything. Our teacher never said anything about it. Then I became relieved and the term went smoothly. On the day of report sheets collection, what I saw made my spirits to first leave my body like Tom and Jerry before coming back. Or more, I saw 15th position. Me. That nobody was dragging second position with. Chai. I looked at my friend's position. We all got scores according to our tissue price. We were arranged accordingly. 11th to 12th position, 13th, 14th, 15th, which was me. Chai, I'm finished. I just knew I was in big trouble, My mother would finish my bonbon with wire. A old teacher's daughter with 15th position. My brain started looking for solution. What will I do? As per over smartness now, I just carry speed, delete one part of the report sheet, turning it to 5th position. That was how I ran home with all joy and showed my mom my results. My mom looked at the results and looked at me and said, Funke, why that position side look as if say you carry and rub am? Me that I'm smart. Or never to be caught. Mommy, don't mind the teacher. The woman is definitely dirty. I'm sure she made mistake when she wrote the results and she used her spit to clean it. My mom said, Funke, this thing they show clean something. No forget say I be teacher. I know wetin I dey talk. I responded, Mommy, I did not do anything. No, I didn't do anything. With tears dropping from my eyes, when you've committed an atrocity and you can no longer hide, that's guilty conscience. I said, Mommy, I did not do anything. No. Hey, I was so afraid. I was really afraid that my mom had finally caught me. What would I do at this point? I was so afraid. I said, I not clean anything. No. No, we made do before I could even understand what happened. Before I could understand the next thing, men and brethren, I saw stars. I saw stars. Before I could say Jack, my mom already forgot her hand on my face. That day, I got the beating of my life. It is a day I can never forget. Now I can laugh over it, but that experience taught me a whole lot. Yeah, back to our video. So this is coconut fried rice. It is yummy and so delicious. I hope you'll be trying it out. Till I come your way next time, please like, share, subscribe. Bye.